to today's lesson. And what you have today is simple equations, word problems. As usual, we are starting from number 1. The question is already on the board. So the first question, I think of a number, add 2 to it, multiply the sum by 5, and then subtract 7. The result is 23. What is the number? So first of all, you have to represent the number by any letter you like. So let us start. Solution. Let the number equal to A. So instead, I think of a number, add 2. That means A plus 2. Multiply the sum by 5. Put it in bracket times 5. And then subtract 7. Remove 7. The result is 23. It's equal to 23. You see how I started? First of all, represent the number by a letter and then follow the instruction. Added 2, multiply by 5, subtract 7, the answer is 23. So now we can write, and we have 5 bracket A plus 2 minus 7 equal to 23. You open the brackets, that is 5A plus 10. 5 times A, 5 times 2, minus 7 equal to 23. And then in order to continue, we have collecting like terms. We have, or let us simplify further first. 5A plus 3 is equal to 23. That is 10 minus 7, because they are like terms. So you subtract, and then, 7 minus 10 is 3. Bringing them together, you have 5A is equal to 23 minus 3. That is this one crossing over. And that means that 5A is equal to 20. Therefore, dividing both sides by 5, we have 5A over 5 is equal to 20 over 5. This would go 5 in 5, 1, 5 is 4. Therefore, A is equal to 4. So the number we are talking about is 4. Therefore, the number is equal to 4. And that's the answer to number 1. We are going over to number 2. Okay, we have number 2 on the board. And number 2 says that we should find a number such that if you add 7 and divide the sum by 5, you will get the same answer as if you had subtracted 1 and then divide by 3. Solution. Let the number be y. If you add 7, that means y plus 7, and divide the sum by 5 all over 5. You get the same answer. You get the same answer as if you had subtracted 1 and then divide by 3. So that means this will give us, if you had subtracted 1, that means y minus 1 all over 3. So in this case now, we have to cross multiply. And cross multiplying, you have 3 brackets y plus 7 is equal to 5 brackets y minus 1. That is this times this and this times this. Now, crossing over to this side, you open the bracket in each case, and that will give us 3y plus 21, 3 times y, 3 times 7 is equal to 5y minus 5. Again, you multiply out. The next thing is to collect your like terms. Let us take this 3y to this side and take 5 to the other side. So it will now be 21 plus 5, because 5 crossing the equality sign, it will be close. Equal to, you are taking this to the other side, 5y minus 3y. And then if you carry out the simplification, you now have 26 is the same thing as 2y. Because if you subtract, that means that if 2y equal to 26, therefore y should be equal to 26 over 2. Divide, so means that y is equal to 13. And that is the number. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now let's go over to number 3. We have number 3. What is the number which, when added to the numerator and denominator of the fraction 6 over 13, makes a new fraction whose value is 3 over 5? Now, we have seen it. So, again, solution. Let's the number be x. And that means that if I should add x to both the numerator and denominator, I will now get another fraction. Okay, so that is 6 plus x all over 13 plus x is equal to 3 over 5. Because we are told that we have to find the number so that when you add it to numerator and denominator of this, makes a new fraction. Which value is this? So we cross multiply. Cross multiply. And then from here we have 5 brackets 6 plus x is equal to 3 brackets 13 plus x. And that is multiplied. So that will give us 30 plus 5x for this side. 5 times this, 5 times this. And that will give us 3 times 13 will give us 39 plus 3x. Again, we collect our like terms, and that should be 5x minus 3x is the same thing as 39 minus 30. So, we move on. This will give us 2x equal to 9. Therefore, to get our x, we divide by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 9 over 2, which is 4 whole number, 1 over 2. Therefore, x is equal to 4 whole number, 1 over 2. And that's the answer to number 3. And that's the end of this session. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, you can put it in the comment section so that I can look at it and maybe make another video. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lesson.